funny. She's so funny. We did it. We did it.
काय झालं?
My
God. First song.
देखने के लिए देखते रहिए हेलो जी,
नमस्ते सबको.
and welcome to Adulting Apparently. मैं हूँ आकांक्षा and today we have with us Devashri. So she recently completed 1 year into tech industry. Congratulations
Thank
for
you.
that. And she's also doing content creation side by side, building her journey step by step. And today we are going to talk about that phase of life where we are no more teen babies and work shift, self-doubt and similarity hit us hard.
So sit back, relax, and watch how we all are sailing the same boat called adulting.
So, जैसे कि देवश्री हमें पता है, you just completed 1 good year into corporate. Looking back at it, how was your campus to corporate journey?
The shift was honestly overwhelming. From getting out of the campus bubble and then transitioning to corporate, ऐसा लगता था कि हम नए लोगों के सामने ये कर पाएंगे, नहीं कर पाएंगे. ये skills learn करना, grow करना, getting that confidence, discipline और hard work बहुत लगता है. पहले से कैंपस में लगता था कि हो जाएगा. We are just going in an office in a restricted space and then going there doing things. Now अभी recently I got appreciated for my work, so it feels like कि हाँ जो कर रहे हैं hard work उसका एक fruit जो रहता है that I'm having right now.
Yes.
So it is really good.
That was amazing. And on that experience, would you like to give some tips who are just transitioning into corporate, like who are trying for placements, like what could you suggest them?
I would say continuous learning. जितना भी फ्री टाइम ही नहीं, कीप अ गोल कि दिन में 20 मिनट्स तो मिनिमम डालेंगे कोई भी स्किल लर्न करने के लिए. बिकॉज टेक इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक ऑलवेज ग्रोइंग. कुछ ना कुछ आता है, कुछ बदलता है.
Every second.
Yes, every second. So if you wanna like have that all, you have to keep on learning.
Okay. इस transition period में, what was that one win that looked small but felt huge for yourself?
I think saying no. And saying no without feeling guilty. क्योंकि मेरी जिस पर्सनैलिटी है, I used to get like burdened on myself कि नो बोलूँ, उन्हें बुरा लग जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. But at the end it's about your peace. कि अगर ये काम करने से you are okay तो you do it. But अगर ये तुम्हारे peace को like डिस्टर्ब करने वाला है तो फिर क्यों करना. So that is a really important thing I think people should do. Like you should say no to things you think that is not that are not worth it. So basically,
yeah, actually that's a very big point. मतलब it looks small, but it is a very big point, and especially for soft-hearted people, they have to learn how to say no. And yeah, alongside your professional journey, you have always been a creative and atrangi person. So how that it helped you in your life?
so being an, I will call it artistic and creative person made me like observant कि इन चीज़ों में मैं ज़्यादा फोकस कर लेती हूँ कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, like in tech words, if there is a bug, if there is a problem in that type, तो हम ट्राई करते हैं कि अलग अलग जो हमें ऐसे लगे कि ये कर लिया, ये स्टेप करते हैं, उन्होंने नहीं बताया होगा कि हमारे सीनियर्स बोलेंगे नो गो विद द फ्लो, like go with the SOP.
Yeah.
But then we just try to make it in our way, and that really helped. Solution is what is important, and then that creative part of me makes me think in different ways, and that helped me actually.
Okay, that was a great answer. So, जैसे कि हम बड़े होते गए from teen years to adulthood, one quite change you felt or you noticed within yourself or your surrounding that it was like quite changing?
I think I started focusing on peace over drama.
Okay, yeah.
That I really did. Because बड़े होते होते we used to more look into fun, look into that things कि इसने ये बोला, उसने वो बोला. But slowly, हाँ, that was another type of thrill. But then बड़े होते होते it was like कि हाँ, that is not actually important. Your intentions, their concerns, ये सब important है. And थोड़ा सा वो अक्कल आ गई कि हाँ ठीक है, you have to focus on this. Give your peace the मेन फोकस
Priority.
और हाँ प्रायोरिटी, और बाकी सब ठीक है, मतलब थिंग्स विल हैपन, कुछ होगा कुछ नहीं होगा, यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप गोइंग.
Prioritize your mental peace. That helps you to grow even more stronger. It helps us to get into better version of yourself.
Right.
So जैसे कि अभी हमने पीस के बारे में बात की, so do you feel the same thing in friendships? पहले friendship were more used to be about enjoyment and fun, but now do you feel that they are more of like a safe and comfort zone?
I think कि it is now less about constant fun. Fun is always needed. कि fun के बिना हम नहीं रह सकते, और friends के साथ fun ना हो तो क्या हो. But then it is also like peace, you can say safety, और वो एक understanding बढ़ना. Because now we are in our adulthood, if I say so. तो we are like going through different things, transitions in our life.
Experience.
हाँ, different experiences. People are moving out.
Yeah.
They are going to abroad,
Yeah,
cities.
that's the one of the biggest
change. Yeah. So उनको इतना बड़ा change एक understand करने के लिए कोई तो चाहिए, right? They need a friend who can understand कि उनके साथ ये हो रहा है. अगर किसी ने मुझे कॉल किया, मेरे फ्रेंड ने कॉल किया और बोला कि यार मैंने खाना खाने नहीं टाइम मिला, यू कैन नॉट से कि अरे ऑर्डर कर ले. तो आप कुछ हुआ है, कुछ ज्यादा काम है, सो दे शुड नीड कि वो फील आए तुम्हारे साथ कि हाँ कि ये समझ सकता है. इमोशनल अटैचमेंट जो है वो है, इसे मैं बता सकती हूँ मैं इधर भी हूँ तो हम है. You can stay in contact.
Distance doesn't mean.
Distance can't change anything actually.
Yeah.
So that is what I think now friendships are about. क्योंकि fun तो obviously होना ही चाहिए, but then it should also feel like understanding, emotional bond ज़्यादा. Because world is kind of cruel. तो हाँ, friendship keeps us going ऐसा.
Keeps us going. Yeah. That is a great line. It keeps us going. It helps us to go with the change, and it helps us to understand how we are going through. And it helps us to make us sure that somebody is there for us, that somebody is backing up, and no matter how they are backing up, but that one constant, just a thought, a feeling, that is also enough for us when we are going. Like it's not only about sad faces, but also like more.
Also while celebrating our achievements.
Yeah.
कि हाँ अरे dude मुझे ये like when I received award I was like first recording it and sending to my friend कि देखो, and they also had the same happiness for me, is like makes us all feel good. So yeah, that is really important.
So one thing I would like to ask, do you want to give a shout out to any of your like anyone? Not there can't be one.
Actually हाँ, there can't be one. There
okay,
are
like overall take like a message for all of your friends who might be watching this, like anything.
I would say I'm really thankful and really grateful. Like okay, now this is kind of getting emotional because friends have made my life really there was phase where I couldn't like get myself, I couldn't understand myself, and there were those people who I just met and they started understanding me. And I'm really grateful for them for staying till now, and I know they will forever stay. So yeah, thank you.
That was so sweet and a bit of emotional, but yeah, there's friendship with their emotions. Okay, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया और honest conversation था. और जैसे कि हमें पता है हम दोनों भी कॉलेज बडीज थे और अभी ट्रांजिशन हो गए कॉर्पोरेट वर्कर्स में, तो ये कन्वर्सेशन से फील हुआ कि yeah, there's a very good connection between us and our lives are so relatable. But yeah, we are building it step by step, of course, and it is going to be a great journey.
और कुछ सालों बाद maybe हम यही वीडियो देख रहे होंगे with more of our family members, and that will be so fun.
Of course, मतलब we can manifest it now. Like we would be watching that video ऐसे बैठ के हम सब देखेंगे कि यार हम कितने छोटे थे तभी यार just बड़े ही हो रहे थे, and then like we have grown into very good persons now, like a good successful thing, and everything is so nice. And if any part of this episode felt relatable, we'd love to hear your story too, because in the end we all are still figuring out. और ऐसे डीप कन्वर्सेशंस के लिए देखते रहिए अडल्टिंग एवरेंटली।